Hello guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this simulation tutorial, we will make or we will run a simple simulation for the analog read function with the help of Raspberry Pi Pico board. In our previous simulation, we have built the LED blinker, or we can say that the GPIO highs and GPIO lows function for the Pi Pico board. So here we are just working on the analog read function. Is like Arduino, this Pico board can also read analog signals. But what is the difference then? The Arduino is not capable of reading with such high resolution. It can just read up to, we can say that it can read up to 2 raised to the power 5, or we can say that up to 256 samples. Like if there is like 0 volt and 5 volt, then it can simply read up to, or can translate them into the 256 levels, or some data levels. But if pi pico board is concerned, its resolution is much more high, like 2 raised power 16, like 65,535 samples. So it is a high resolution board as compared to the Arduino. Okay, now in this, although this is very simple simulator, maybe it may or may not fulfill your requirement, because it is offering just 3 to 4 features and not more than that. Moreover, these are some bit, we cannot say that these are the perfect simulators for such tasks, but it can give you some sort of help because no other simulator is available. So first we have make first option we have included, that is that which GPIO you want to use for the analog read. So we can put like 16 GP16, and we can press button, okay, push button, and then we can see that our hardware is attached, our wire is attached with the 16 number GPIO or GP16. Then we can move it for like 17. Again we will press the push button, and then it changes accordingly, like as we are putting the command, the hardware changes accordingly. So okay, now we will T1, okay, it also change, okay, then like 23 also it work or not. Okay, I think it's like up to, okay, we will try it with 18. Okay, yeah, it's working. Okay, now we have added a potentiometer, and with the you have two, you can see two buttons on the right and left of this potentiometer. These are the push buttons, so we can raise the values up to like 3.3 with the help of this potentiometer. Although we can raise up to 5 volt, but as our pico board is not going to provide uh, 5 volts, or even it cannot tolerate maybe, so you are not supposed to go to above 3.3 volt. Okay, now we have written our code here. You must have to import the machine and u time, and then while true is our loop or infinite loop, and this u underscore u16, this function actually reads the analog data by using its sampling rate up to 65,535. So it is reading analog signal with such high resolution. Then after reading, it will store all these values into a single variable, and that is read underscore value. Then it is going to print ADC and reading, and then this time uh, lapse, or we can say that it's time delay, that is the 0.2 seconds. So this is a simple console for to see the output, and this is our simulation button. Okay, now we are going to do one thing, and that is first we will adjust the position for the potentiometer, so we can increase the value here like up to 1 volt or like 1.3. Okay, now we are going to press the run simulation button. Okay, okay, it is showing us. Okay, now if we want to change the value, then you can see it is changing. Okay, but you are supposed to be below than 3.3. Okay, you're not supposed to go to above. Okay, now either can we slow the blinking process, like we can use zero point 0.5. So now we will run it. Okay, wait, we can we use zero point 0.3? Can we use zero point 0.3? Okay, wait. Okay, we can use zero point 0.2. Is we have just included it in the programming. So however we can see our output here. Okay, and one more thing, that if you just if you will just like remove any of the coding line, it is not going to work at all. Like this, no, it is not going to work at all. So you need to put the braces. Okay, so okay, okay, now okay, I have given the exe in the description, so you can download it and you can use it. uh, and one more thing, that we are day by day we are going to do some sort of more progress on it, so you can stay tuned to get some more progress. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting this channel.